Welcome to Deluxe Materials, the finest range of high-quality products especially designed for Dollhouse Miniatures fans. Here's what makes our company so unique and our Dollhouse products so distinctive. At Deluxe Materials, we're both modelers and chemists, so we really understand what you want and how to formulate it. Our passion and enthusiasm translates into products that are tailored exactly to your requirements. We're committed to finding innovative solutions to your modelling tasks. We also take care of the modeller through the formulations we use. Remember, our range is backed up by comprehensive demonstrations, available as online video guides or print articles. Also, Deluxe Materials offers detailed technical product information and charts to help you understand our products. Just ask your dealer or go to www.deluxematerials.com to find out more. Let's begin by exploring what makes our Dollhouse products special. You'll see an overview of our products with a summary of their benefits and key features, as well as any handy tips or advice. We start with our tacky wax adhesive, an essential item for dollhouse makers. It's a simple and easy way to hold small delicate items in place. Tacky wax also makes picking up tiny items like screws easy. Repositioning your objects is simple, while any excess is removed with soapy water. Another useful adhesive is our tacky glue. This very sticky glue dries flexible and clear without staining. Tacky glue will bond most flexible materials, fabric, plastic, but also ceramic tiles and wood. It glues painted and varnished surfaces easily too. It also fills gaps when dry. When you're done, clean up after with water. Also in our Dollhouse adhesives range is decorator glue. This is a very thick, clear drying glue. Its unique formula means it has an instant strong hold, which is especially useful for upholstery work. It grips onto round, tight corners and vertical surfaces, whilst also allowing repositioning. Use decorator glue to bond fabrics like leather, silk and cotton, as well as paper, wood and glass. Cleanup is with water. Need an instant, stronger and more permanent bond? Then use our Rocket Cyanoacrylate Superglues. There's a grade and consistency for every task. All are high quality, fast setting adhesives. Rocket Hot is our most fluid and highly penetrating superglue, wicking into tight fitting joints easily and setting in just 1 to 5 seconds. Use Rocket Rapid, which is slightly thicker, on 2 separate surfaces and bring them together for a bond that dries in 5 to 10 seconds. Rocket Max is our most viscous and non-runny grade of superglue. Much thicker, it sets in 10 to 20 seconds. For a safe, non-fuming alternative, there's Rocket Odorless, especially useful on clear plastics without fogging, but also on styrofoam. Finally, our Rocket Cyano Glue Gel is a non-runny, high-strength gel superglue that bonds in 10 seconds and easily fills gaps. It comes supplied in a metal tube for a long shelf life. Use our Rocket Glue Tips for a fine application of our Rocket Hot glue. And to make our Rocket Glues last longer, keep them away from light and heat. When it comes to fixing crystal clear plastics into window frames, turn to Glue and Glaze. This specially formulated liquid plastic polymer will not fog clear plastics, but glues them firmly into place. Glue and Glaze is non-stringy. It fills and seals gaps, and most importantly, is cleaned up with water. Plastic Magic is a versatile liquid solvent glue that produces invisible glue lines. Plastic Magic glues plastics that other glues cannot. Use a brush or our special pin flow applicator to apply Plastic Magic to your items. And here's a tip: use Plastic Magic with a brush to texture foam. To find out more, download our plastic glue application chart or see our YouTube video on which plastic glue to use. Here's a brief look at some other useful products. Superfatic is a safe, non-fuming alternative to superglue. It's a super penetrating adhesive, ideal for slot-together joints or where you perhaps have not glued. It bonds wood, plastic and card without odour or fumes. Our Glue Buster is a handy debonder and dissolver of superglues, which can release glued skin and remove superglue marks. And Rocket Plastic Glue is a safe, low-odour liquid plastic cement, supplied with a fine, non-clog applicator tip. It gives invisible glue lines, allows adjustment in 8 to 10 seconds, and can be washed away with water. Our comprehensive range of adhesives also includes our fast-drying and strong water-based Speed Bond PVA glue, Rocket Card Glue, which bonds wood and plastics to card instantly, and our 2-part Speed Epoxy for permanent high-strength and gap-filling clear joins on metal and wood, as well as some hard plastics. Remember that our Rocket glue tips will help with the application of a number of these glues too. These one-piece glue tips offer instant fit and precise glue delivery, so no more mess. Tips can be cut to shorter lengths, and you can administer thin glue lines time after time. The Deluxe Materials Pinpoint Syringe Kit comes with 2 dispensing syringes and 3 different fine needles for fine application of our glues. They're easily filled from the rear and can be used to deliver precise amounts of our tacky, decorator and speed bond glues. Prevent clogging by immersing the syringe in water after use. Deluxe Materials also offers these alternative ways to dispense our products. Our Pinpoint Bottle Glue Kit comes with 3 different tips and a small, soft dosing bottle as an alternative to the syringes. And our Pin Flow applicator is the ideal plastic solvent glue dispenser, and a paintbrush can be too much. In addition to our glues, we make a range of finishing and Scenic products that you can use in your dollhouses. Scenic Rust is a 2-stage system that easily creates an authentic scale rust finish. Scenic Rust gets to work straight after application and then uses a chemical reaction to create a real rust finish on any paintable surface, plastic, wood and metal, within hours. Are you after a wintry scene? Try our Scenic Snow Kit. For dramatic winter snow effects, this complete set gives you what you need, including high brightness snowflakes, icy sparkles to create frozen snow, and a special Scenic Bond adhesive to glue it all into place. In addition, there's full instructions in the pack, and online instructional video guides to show you how it's all done. One of our exciting new products is our innovative paint and airbrush cleaner, Brush Magic. Any Dollhouse miniaturist enthusiast will appreciate our fast-acting way to clean, restore and revive your paint and airbrushes. Brush Magic also removes all traces of wet glue from furniture. It is safe and non-flammable. Any rinsing away of residue is done with ordinary water, with no oily deposits. Brush Magic combines innovation with performance and safety. What's more, it won't evaporate away, so it's economical too. Stripping off a poorly applied factory paint finish or old paint layers can be messy and unpredictable. Enter our Strip Magic solution. Strip Magic removes all types of paint from all types of surface, including plastic, metal and wood. Strip Magic works at your pace, because the user controls the degree of paint stripping. And here's a usage tip. Rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol will easily wash away your paint debris. Our perfect plastic putty is especially useful for your dollhouse creations. It fills fine gaps and can be used to add texture to figures or miniature food. Here we can see it used to make cake decorations. Use our Pinpoint Syringe Kit to create extruded lines or intricate shapes with the putty. It's simple to colour with acrylic paint, and once dry it can be sanded quickly and easily. To stop it drying out, squeeze the tube to expel any air. Don't release it, and then add the cap and screw into place. Another unique product from our catalogue is Scenic Water. It's an innovative remeltable resin that pours, flows and sets to simulate not just water but also drinks, jams, jellies and a whole host of other effects. It melts at a low temperature, without danger. To get the most out of Scenic water, use liquid detergent to create bubbles and hard soap flakes for permanent bubbles. Use Scenic water in enclosed containers and avoid direct contact with metal unless pre-treated with varnish. To simulate crystal clear water in bowls, puddles or pools, use our solid water. This simple to use 2-part resin system offers a low odour solution to this task. It sets hard overnight and is ideal for filling baths, sinks or garden pools. Use it for deeper water by applying successive thin layers. The realism is heightened by applying our Making Waves product on top. Use it to create running water as shown here, and subtle surface textures and ripples on the water. Finally, Deluxe Materials offers these other useful products for your dollhouses, including Create and Shape for the casting and creating of custom-made garden groundwork or one-off items, and Scenic Fibres, which can be combined with Making Waves to model realistic waterfalls or white water. Make Deluxe Materials' range of high-quality dollhouse products a part of your hobby. Look and ask for Deluxe Materials by name in your Miniaturists store. Ask your dealer for our video guides and information sheets, or visit Deluxe Materials websites for more video guides and advice. Deluxe Materials, the strength inside your model.